What's up, guys? Today we got a PK boiler that we're doing an annual on. So we have pulled the burner right here and it looks good. We're going to clean it off a little bit, but you still see daylight through it. The mesh doesn't look messed up at all anywhere, so that's a good sign. We have also taken off all the side plates, and this is how it's looking. So we're going to continue with this. We got to get some more gaskets out and replace some gaskets, but let's just keep on working at it. All right, got it all blown apart. Replace that gasket. Got another one in my hand right here, go on the bottom. Everything's looking good. No alarming. No alarm, ding, anything. So let's rock and roll.